Welcome to Lesson 10.11, our AI Spotlight on using artificial intelligence for narrative refinement. AI tools have emerged as potentially valuable assistants in the writing and revision process. When used appropriately, these tools can help improve clarity, catch errors, suggest improvements, and accelerate editing. This lesson examines how to leverage AI effectively for proposal improvement. We will explore current capabilities and limitations, discuss effective prompting strategies, outline practical workflows for AI-assisted revision, and address ethical and practical considerations specific to grant writing. Understanding AI's proper role helps you benefit from these tools while maintaining quality and authenticity. AI serves best as an assistant that enhances your writing capabilities, not as a replacement for the strategic thinking and expertise that successful proposals require. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to integrate AI tools into your proposal revision process thoughtfully and effectively. Current AI tools offer several capabilities relevant to proposal writing assistance. Understanding what AI can do helps you leverage these tools appropriately. Clarity improvement involves AI suggesting clearer phrasings for complex passages. When you write technically dense content, AI can propose simpler alternatives that maintain meaning while improving accessibility. This capability helps with clarity editing by offering options you might not have considered. Grammar and style assistance includes identifying errors and inconsistencies. AI tools can catch grammatical mistakes, awkward phrasing, and style inconsistencies that human editors might miss. This copy editing support provides an additional layer of quality assurance. Summarization creates condensed versions of longer content. When you need to compress detailed information into limited space, AI can help identify essential points and suggest concise formulations. This capability assists with abstracts and executive summaries. Alternative generation offers different ways to express ideas. When you are stuck on phrasing or want options to consider, AI can generate multiple versions of the same idea. Having alternatives helps you select the most effective expression. Understanding AI limitations prevents misuse and disappointment. AI has significant constraints in grant writing contexts. Domain expertise limitations mean AI lacks deep knowledge of specific fields. While AI has general knowledge across many domains, it does not have the specialized expertise that successful proposals require. AI cannot evaluate technical feasibility, assess methodological appropriateness, or judge field-specific claims accurately. Funder knowledge limitations mean AI does not know specific funder preferences, review processes, or evaluation criteria. AI cannot tailor proposals to particular funders because it lacks insider knowledge of what specific funders value. This knowledge comes from experience and research you must conduct. Strategic judgment limitations mean AI cannot make strategic proposal decisions. Decisions about what to emphasize, how to frame arguments, and what trade-offs to make require human judgment informed by context AI does not have. Strategy must come from you. Accuracy issues mean AI may generate plausible but incorrect information. AI can produce confident-sounding text that is factually wrong. Any AI-generated content must be verified for accuracy. Never trust AI output without checking it yourself. Appropriate AI use focuses on assistance and augmentation rather than replacement. Certain use cases leverage AI effectively while maintaining proposal quality and authenticity. Editing assistance uses AI to improve existing text you have written. You write the content based on your expertise and strategy. AI helps refine expression, clarify prose, and polish writing. This use pattern maintains your voice and judgment while benefiting from AI's editing capabilities. Brainstorming support generates ideas and alternatives to consider. When you are stuck or want options, AI can suggest approaches you evaluate and select. AI generates possibilities. You choose among them based on strategic judgment. This pattern expands options while keeping decisions with you. Error detection catches mistakes in grammar, consistency, and formatting. AI serves as an additional proofreading layer that complements human review. Automated error detection catches issues that might escape human attention. First draft feedback provides initial reactions before human review. Before investing in formal red team review, AI can provide preliminary feedback on clarity and completeness. This early feedback helps you address obvious issues before human reviewers invest time. Getting useful output from AI requires effective prompting. How you communicate with AI tools significantly affects result quality. Context provision gives AI relevant background for your request. Explain that you are working on a grant proposal, describe the funder and program, note any relevant constraints. Context helps AI provide more targeted and appropriate suggestions. Without context, AI responses may be too generic. Specific instructions clarify exactly what you want. Rather than asking AI to improve this paragraph, specify that you want it to suggest ways to make this paragraph clearer for non-technical readers while maintaining technical accuracy. Specificity produces better results than vague requests. Criteria specification explains evaluation standards that apply. If the proposal will be evaluated on innovation, significance, and approach, telling AI these criteria helps it provide relevant feedback. Understanding evaluation context shapes AI suggestions. Iterative refinement builds on AI responses with follow-up prompts. Initial AI output may not be perfect. Use subsequent prompts to refine results. Ask for alternatives, request specific changes, or direct AI toward better solutions based on initial output. Prompting for clarity editing helps AI provide useful suggestions for improving prose. Specific prompting strategies improve clarity editing results. Identifying target audience specifies who will read this content. Tell AI whether readers are technical experts, program officers, or general reviewers. Audience knowledge shapes appropriate simplification. What works for experts may fail for generalists and vice versa. Defining clarity goals explains what type of clarity you need. Do you want simpler sentences, better organized paragraphs, clearer logic, or more accessible vocabulary? Different clarity problems require different solutions. Be specific about what needs improvement. Preserving key content indicates what must be maintained through revision. Technical terms may be necessary. Specific claims may be required. Tell AI what cannot be changed, so suggestions respect your constraints. Preservation instructions prevent oversimplification. Requesting options asks for multiple alternatives to consider. Rather than accepting a single AI suggestion, request several options. Having choices lets you select the best alternative or combine elements from different suggestions. Options expand your possibilities. Prompting for error detection helps AI serve as an effective proofreading assistant. Specific prompting strategies improve error detection results. Specifying error types indicates what kinds of errors to look for. Ask AI to focus on subject-verb agreement, or comma usage, or consistency in terminology. Focused error checking catches more issues than general requests. Different passes for different error types improve thoroughness. Providing style guidance shares your style preferences and requirements. If your organization uses specific conventions or the funder has style requirements, communicate these. AI cannot check against standards it does not know. Share relevant style guides or preferences. Requesting explanations asks AI to explain why something is an error. Understanding why AI flags something helps you learn and helps you evaluate whether the flag is valid. Not every AI suggestion is correct. Explanations help you judge. Systematic coverage has AI check different error categories separately. Rather than asking for all errors at once, make separate requests for grammar, then punctuation, then consistency. Systematic checking is more thorough than single-pass review. An effective workflow integrates AI appropriately into your revision process. This workflow maintains quality while leveraging AI assistance. Write first by completing your draft using your expertise before AI input. Your knowledge, strategy, and voice should drive the proposal. Create substantial content before introducing AI. Starting with AI output undermines authenticity and may introduce errors. AI Review Pass uses AI to identify potential improvements after you have drafted content. Submit your writing for AI feedback on clarity, errors, and alternatives. Treat AI suggestions as one input among many. AI review supplements rather than replaces your own revision. Human evaluation assesses AI suggestions using your judgment. Not every AI suggestion is good. Some may change meaning, introduce errors, or violate field conventions. Evaluate each suggestion critically before accepting it. Your judgment determines what to use. Selective implementation applies only improvements you verify and approve. Accept suggestions that genuinely improve your proposal. Reject suggestions that do not serve your goals. The final proposal should reflect your decisions about AI input. Checking AI output ensures that suggestions improve rather than harm your proposal. Verification steps protect proposal quality. Factual verification confirms any factual claims AI generates or modifies. AI can introduce plausible sounding but incorrect information. If AI suggests text containing facts, statistics, or claims, verify them against reliable sources. Never trust AI-generated facts without checking. Meaning preservation ensures revisions maintain your intended meaning. AI suggestions may subtly change what you meant to say. Read revised text carefully to confirm it still expresses your ideas accurately. Meaning shifts can be unintentional but harmful. Voice consistency checks that suggestions fit your writing voice. AI output has its own style that may differ from yours. Suggestions that sound robotic or generic may weaken your proposal's authenticity. Adapt AI suggestions to match your voice. Technical accuracy verifies field-specific content remains correct. AI may change technical language in ways that alter technical meaning. If you work in a specialized field, ensure AI suggestions maintain technical accuracy. Field expertise must guide acceptance of technical revisions. Ethical considerations guide appropriate AI use in grant writing. Understanding these issues helps you use AI responsibly. Authenticity requirement means proposals must represent your genuine work. Funders evaluate proposals to assess your capabilities. Passing off AI-generated content as your own work misrepresents your abilities. Use AI to improve how you express your ideas, not to generate ideas you do not have. Funder policies may exist regarding AI use that you must follow. Some funders explicitly prohibit or restrict AI-generated content. Others may have disclosure requirements. Check funder guidelines for AI policies before submission. Compliance with funder requirements is non-negotiable. Disclosure expectations raise questions about whether AI use should be disclosed. Professional norms around AI disclosure continue evolving. Consider whether transparency about AI assistance serves your interests and maintains trust. When in doubt, err toward disclosure. Capability representation means you should not claim AI-generated capabilities as yours. If AI helps you write clearly, but you cannot sustain that clarity yourself, the proposal misrepresents your communication abilities. Use AI to enhance genuine capabilities, not to fabricate ones you lack. Privacy and security considerations affect how you use AI for proposal work. Protecting sensitive information while using AI tools requires awareness. Sensitive information requires caution about sharing confidential content with AI tools. Budget details, personnel information, and preliminary data may be sensitive. Consider what information should or should not be submitted to AI platforms based on confidentiality concerns. Proprietary methods raise questions about whether your methodological approaches should be protected. Novel methods that provide competitive advantage may warrant caution about sharing with AI systems that might expose them through training or other mechanisms. Partner information deserves respect for confidentiality of partner data. If proposals contain information about partners, their budgets, or their capabilities, consider whether sharing this with AI platforms is appropriate. Respect commitments to partners about information handling. Platform policies vary in how AI platforms use submitted content. Some platforms use submitted content for training. Others may retain content. Understand the policies of platforms you use and make informed decisions about what to submit. Selecting appropriate AI tools for your work involves practical considerations. Thoughtful tool selection improves your experience and results. Capability match means choosing tools suited to your specific needs. Different AI tools have different strengths. Some excel at grammar checking, while others are better at generating alternatives. Understand what you need and select tools that provide those capabilities. Reliability involves selecting tools with consistent, dependable performance. Tools that work inconsistently or produce widely variable output frustrate users and waste time. Evaluate reliability before committing to a tool for important work. Privacy features matter when considering tools with appropriate data handling. If you have privacy concerns about proposal content, select tools with privacy features that address those concerns. Some tools offer enterprise versions with enhanced privacy protections. Integration affects utility because tools that fit your workflow increase usefulness. Tools that work within your existing applications save time compared to tools requiring separate interfaces. Consider how tools integrate with your writing and editing workflow. Building effective AI skills takes practice and learning. Developing these skills improves the value you get from AI tools over time. Practice regularly to develop skills through consistent use. Like any tool, AI becomes more useful as you learn to use it effectively. Regular practice builds familiarity with capabilities and limitations. Occasional use does not develop deep skills. Experiment with prompts by trying different approaches to find what works. Prompting is an evolving skill. Different phrasings produce different results. Experimentation helps you discover effective prompting patterns for your needs. Learn from results by analyzing what prompts produce best outputs. When AI gives you particularly useful output, note what prompt produced it. When output disappoints, consider what prompt changes might improve results. Learning from experience improves future interactions. Stay current because AI capabilities evolve rapidly. Tools improve quickly, and new capabilities emerge frequently. Stay aware of developments in AI writing assistants. Today's limitations may become tomorrow's strengths. Continuous learning keeps your skills current. The optimal relationship between human grant writers and AI tools is partnership where each contributes distinct strengths. Understanding this partnership improves how you use AI. AI augments rather than replaces your work. Your expertise, knowledge, and judgment drive proposal development. AI assists with specific tasks but does not substitute for what you bring. Successful proposals require human capability that AI cannot provide. Strategic judgment remains yours because AI cannot make strategic decisions for you. What to propose, how to frame it, what to emphasize, all strategic choices require human judgment. AI can help execute strategy, but not create it. Strategy comes from you. Quality responsibility means you are responsible for final proposal quality. Whatever AI contributes, you are accountable for what you submit. Review everything, verify everything, approve everything. Your name is on the proposal. Complementary strengths combine human and AI capabilities effectively. You bring expertise, judgment, and strategy. AI brings tireless editing, pattern recognition, and alternative generation. Effective partnership leverages both while recognizing what each contributes. Let us summarize this lesson and conclude Week 10. AI's appropriate role is augmenting human capability in proposal revision. AI can help with clarity, error detection, and generating alternatives, but cannot replace the expertise and judgment you bring. Use AI as an assistant that enhances your work, not as a substitute for proposal development skills. Effective practice combines good prompting with thorough verification. How you communicate with AI affects what you get back. What you do with AI output, including verification and selective implementation, determines whether AI helps or harms your proposal. Ethical use maintains authenticity and follows funder policies. Proposals must represent your genuine capabilities. Respect funder guidelines about AI use. Use AI to enhance authentic work, not to fabricate capability. Week 10 is now complete. Throughout this week on narrative strategy and reviewer psychology, you have learned to write for reviewers rather than yourself. You understand reviewer psychology, persuasive techniques, the power of abstracts and appendices, red team review, editing levels, the halo effect, and AI assistance. These tools and techniques help you create proposals that communicate effectively with the people who will evaluate them. Practice exercise. Select a paragraph from your proposal and use an AI tool to generate 3 alternative versions. Evaluate each alternative, checking for meaning preservation, voice consistency, and technical accuracy. Select the best elements and revise your paragraph based on what you learned.